video over in Surrey is a new system. It's called Vubamac, and we are going to use it here for creating a new resin bound surface. So they say this is a no dig system. We have got pre-existing groundwork here. We've got about 200 mil of it. This lane's been down for many years. We are going to take it off and we're going to install the new Vubamac system. We're going to compact the groundwork, add groundwork. We're going to put down a mesh, then we're going to put down the Vubamac, which is 30 mil. Then we're going to put the mesh on top, and then we are going to apply our resin surface. Now we're going to clean up these edges, and this is going to be transformed into a beautiful new resin bound surface, which is fully permeable. And we're going to show you the process. It's going to be an interesting video to watch. We're also over on this driveway, this permeable argent driveway, which is a pyro. We've got some depressions over there in the driveway, which we're going to sort out for the client to make sure that their home is functional and back together. So we're going to get digging, we're going to get rid of everything, and then we are going to obviously wait for this beautiful weather. We've got forecasted decent weather in the next couple of days, and then we are going to let this dry out, and we are going to apply our Vubamac system, and you're going to see it all go down. So as you can see, guys, we've done a little pilot hole here, and this groundwork goes down and down and down and down. We have got plenty, absolutely plenty of groundwork here. It's really nice and thick. We've got about 240 mil of groundwork. We're going to do some other pilot holes just to double check and over it, and then obviously we're going to recompact it thoroughly, get it all off, clean it all off, make sure it's all jet washed nicely, thoroughly compact it, and then we'll get our system down. So as you can see here, the mesh is being rolled out by the guys on site. That mesh is to cover the entire length, width to length of the project. And this acts as stabilization for the next layer of Vubamac to go on top of. So as you can see there, we've cut it in and made sure that it's covered the entirety of the project. As you can see, all our resin's set out and it is mixing time. Part A goes into part B and the whisk goes on until we get a nice creamy, consistent texture of the resin, and then that resin binder gets poured in to the railway ballast. It gets mixed around in a forced action resin mixer. As you can see here, the Vubamac is coming out into the wheelbarrow and we are ready to lay. So we have chosen to level the Vubamac with a traditional spazzle and then level it off with a spirit level to get a really, really precise finish and level ready for the power flow. So you can use a roller for this system, but we've chosen to use the power flow for added compression and pressure to give a supreme finish and surface to work from.
So we are rolling out more mesh. The mesh is going to again cover the entirety of the project, ready for the resin to be laid on top of this mesh, giving added support. So the resin has been mixed and we have started to get it out on top of the mesh. And as you can see, the guys are leveling it out to give a perfect finish, ready for the power float to go over it and to compress it down. All the edges are also hand troweled. So this is a little cutout section, shows you guys the exact thickness of the Vubamac, the mesh, and the thickness of the resin. Look at that, what an absolutely awesome finish that gives. That runway is supreme. The colour, the blend works perfectly with the edges and with the property. Look how flat this is, just works absolutely perfectly. And walking round here to the entrance to the new surface, so guys, thanks for watching the video, and I think you will agree that is one fantastic resin installation that we have installed there for many years to come, using the new Vubamac system, which I think you'll also agree is a fantastic system. This is already set. We laid this yesterday and it's been down for not even 24 hours. And this we used the Vuba moisture tolerant resin binder with the top layer, and we did have some adverse weather conditions, so it's all set really well. And I think this is a fine installation, which I think you'll all agree that the client's going to get many years of enjoyment out of. So please like and comment and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching the video, really appreciate it. I hope it was informative, fun and enjoyable, yet adventurous. I'll see you on the next video.